Hello, this is Kawa from Hearns Hobbies. Today I'm going to introduce a, well, not Gundam, but a car model kit, which is, ta-da! AE86 Trueno from anime Initial D, released by Aoshima. Just for your information, the AE86 Trueno is the model that owns by the main character Takumi. That's why it makes it so famous. Let's have a look at the box. Here we have the box cover art, hand-drawn style, similar to the comic. We also have some photos of how this car looks like when we finish this model. Remember, this kit is not a snap kit, so you will need cement, glue, and some colors to paint these details on. Let's open the box. Here we go. Ooh! As we could see here, the parts are divided by different materials, such as non-transparent and some transparent parts, to give them more different levels of details and textures to the model. As you can see here, we have some glossy silver pre-painted parts for the engine, so you can even open the front cap of the car and see what's inside. This is how the car body looks like. You will need to paint the car body, the black lines, by yourself afterwards. More glossy silver parts here. Have a look at the lovely nozzle here. They also included Takumi as a resin figure in the kit. They also have the masking sticker to cover the parts while you're painting, so you won't paint the colors to the wrong place. Also, the decals are included in the kit, so while you're finishing, it will provide more details for you to look in. AE86 is a very good choice for you if you want to have a little bit touch on the car models, because it's very classic and famous design. Also, not too many parts inside, so you can build them quickly. But it gives a lot of details at the same time, so there will be a lot of fun to build. That's all for today's video. If you wanna get Aoshima AE86, come to Hearns Hobbies on Furniture Street. We have very low stock on this kit, so don't miss out the chance. See you next time. Bye bye.